Okay, so good morning. Good morning. Okay, so ito po si Ate Glo ng Ate Glo's Tutorial Services. Ang akin pong YouTube channel ay Gloria Alvarez Orillo. And once again, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa inyo sa lahat ng mga tumutulong sa akin at sa patuloy na nagsusubscribe po sa akin mga channel. So ngayon, gagawa po ulit ako muli ng vlog para po makatulong sa mga estudyante na magkakaroon po ng kanilang project, ng kanilang pong module sa kanilang sa mga grade 7. Okay? So, mag-start po tayo ngayon para sa ating lesson. Okay? So, we now have here arrange in increasing order. Okay? So, we have here negative 1/2. Andun yung letter E. And then here we have 0.857. Andun yung letter A. And then we have here 4 and 1/7. Andun yung letter F. And then negative 2/3. Andito po yung letter E. And then we have here negative 0.215. Letter P sa baba, no? And then we have here negative 6. Ayan. Andito yung letter K. And then sa number 10, andun ang letter E sa baba. And then 0.71 letter S. Okay, now, so, mga grade 7, ganito ngayon yung gagawin ninyo dyan na. Kasi meron kayo ngayon, i-arrange ninyo siya mula sa mababa, papunta doon sa pinaka-mataas. And then, kukuhanin nyo ngayon, ano yung kanyang message. Okay? So, dito, kung titingnan nyo pa lang, actually, kita ko na yung message niya, no? Pero, for the purpose na masagutan ng mga bata ang kanilang modules, okay? So, tingnan natin to ngayon. Ano daw ba yung pinakamababang number niya? So, kapag pinakamababa, okay, since ang instruction natin dyan is arrange the following, okay? Arrange in increasing order, okay? So, you're going to start with the smallest. Ano ba ang pinakamababa niya dyan? Okay, so negative muna tayo, ha? Okay, here we have negative 6. Yan. Ano yung number, ano yung letter na nasa ibaba ng negative 6? So, we have letter K. Yan. So, dyan yung ilalagay, ha? Okay, next, tingnan natin. Ano ba yung susunod? So, from negative, ito, we have, ayan, negative 1/2, and then we have here, negative 2/3. Okay, so, tingnan natin. Ano yung mas mababa? So, that would be negative, okay, negative, tingnan nyo ha, para makita nyo alin ang mas mababa. Okay, kasi dito, negative 1/2, tapos negative 2/3, no? Okay, so, tingnan natin. Ito ang 1/2, okay? And then, itong isa is 2/3. Okay, yan, ha? So, ito yung 1/2 ninyo, 1 divided by 2, and then 2/3. Okay, so, tingnan natin. So, 1, ilan ng 2? Wala. Okay, so, dagdag tayo ng 0. Okay, so, yan na yan. So, 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. Okay, so, 0.5. So, sa 2, ilan ng 3? Wala. Okay? So, sa 20, ilan ang 3? Okay? So, meron tayong dyan 0.6. This is now 0.18. Okay? So, nakita nyo. O, so, alin ngayon ang mas mababa? So, we have here 0.5. Lagyan natin dito. Etong 1/2. Negative 1/2. So, anong letter niya? Letter E. And then, next, ito sunod natin. Negative 2/3. Anong letter nandoon? Letter E. And then next, tingnan natin. Ito pa yung isa nating negative. Ayan. So, negative 0.215. Anong letter ang nandun? Letter P. Ayan. So, keep, no? And then next, what would be the next? So, tingnan natin naman ng, since naubos na yung negative, punta tayo ngayon sa positive. Okay, so we have here 0.71. Ang letter na nandiyan ay letter S. Next. And then, we have here, ayun, 0.857. 857, so that is letter A. And then, next natin itong 4 and 1/7, that is letter F. And then, yung isa pa natin is 10. Ang letter na nandoon ay E. Okay, so, kita nyo ba yung message niya ngayon? Ayun, no? Maliwanag, di ba? Keep safe. Okay? So, grade 7, kaya nyo na ngayon sagutan yung inyong module. Okay? So, punta tayo doon sa next problem ninyo. Okay? So, tingnan natin, ano ba yung next problem na sinasabi doon? Okay? So, meron kayo ngayon dyan, problem solving. Okay, so, tingnan natin So, we have there, tingnan daw natin, doon sa problem ninyo, it says, at around 5 p.m., ang temperature is 3 degrees. Okay? 3 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now, pagdating ng 10 p.m., ang kanyang temperature ay naging, okay, so this is at 5 p.m. Pagdating ng 10 p.m., siya ay naging negative 8 degrees centigrade. Okay, now, so sabi niya, find the temperature. Paano nyo, how are you going to find the temperature now? Okay, so dito, 3 degrees, tapos negative 8 degrees. So, since siya ay positive, ang isa ay negative, hindi natin pwedeng pagsamahin. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ito yung visual Okay, so this is negative 8. Negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Ito naman isa is positive 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay? Ito yung positive niya, ito yung negative. Okay? Kapag ang isa ay negative at ang isa ay positive, hindi natin sila pwedeng pagsamahin. So, what are we going to do? We have to subtract. Okay, so we have here positive 3 and then negative 8. So, dito ngayon, ibawas natin si positive 3. Okay? So, we have here 1, 2, 3. So, ilan na natira? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so ang answer ninyo dito ngayon ay negative 5 degrees centigrade. Okay? So, yun yung pinakasagot ninyo, grade 7. And then, tingnan natin yung next problem. Ito dito sa ganito, medyo nahihirapan ng mga bata, no? Okay, so a baker needs to bake a cake. And he needs, what you call this, 9 batches. Okay, so each batch, okay, so sabi niya 9 batches of cakes, no? Ang kanyang ibibake. For every batch, she needs 3 and 1/2 cups of flour. Okay, now, paano ngayon ang gagawin ninyo kung meron kayong ganito? Kung kayo daw ay magbe-bake ng cake, okay? You will make 9 batches of your baking cake, no? And then 3.5 cups bawat batch. Okay, so ngayon, ang gagawin niyo dito, ito yung tinatawag natin na multiplication. Okay, so how are we going to multiply this one? So, itong 9 batches nyo, that is 9 over 1. That would be 9 over 1. Okay? Kasi whole number yan 9 over 1. Bakit natin gagawin yun? Kasi meron tayong 3 and 1/2. So, we cannot multiply 9 times 3 and 1/2. Okay? So, ang gagawin niyo dyan, itong 3 and 1/2 ninyo, you have to convert that into improper fraction. Kasi siya ay mixed number ngayon okay? So, ang gagawin nyo ngayon, itong inyong 3 and 1/2 ninyo, okay? 3 and 1/2. Okay, so itong 3 and 1/2 ninyo ngayon, gagawin ninyo 3 times 2, okay? Ganito So, 3 times 2 is equals to 6 plus 1 is equals to 7 over 2. Okay, so yun yun. Then yun yung ngayon ita-times, okay? Multiply na bubulo si Ate Chloe, no? Okay, so we have here 9. So that is definitely, kung yun ay 9, ang denominator niya ay 1. Okay, so ita-times ninyo ngayon ng times 7 over 2. Bakit 2, Ate Chloe? Kasi 2 yung denominator nyo. Okay, so ang gagawin nyo dyan ngayon, straight multiplication lang kayo. Okay? So ito yan ngayon. So 9 times 7 is equals to 63. Okay? So, 63 and then 1 times 2 is equals to 2. Okay? So, yun siya ngayon. Okay? Dahil 63 and 63 over 2, so dahil improper siya, ang gagawin niyo ngayon, i-divide niya naman. 63 divide by 2. Okay? So, 6 divide by 2 is equals to 3. 3 divide by 2 is equals to 1. 1 times 2, ay tawag 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 ay 6. Okay? And then, bring down 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay? Minus nyo. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, 0.1. Kita niya? Okay, now, pwede kayo ngayon magdagdag dito ng, so 31.1. Okay, so tingnan natin ito ngayon. So this is now, 31.1. Hindi pala, ganito. Okay, so ito ngayon ay magiging, ito yung 31, ano? Okay, so this would be 31 and ito yun, 1/2. Ito ngayon yung inyong magiging final answer. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, for you to be able to bake 9 batches, okay, mangangailangan kayo ng 31 cups and 1/2. Okay? So, paano natin i-check yun? Atiglo. Okay, so tingnan natin. Excuse me. So, ngayon ito ngayon natin, ha? So, ito yan ngayon. So, 31 times 2, okay, times 2 is equals to 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, okay, plus 1. Plus 1 is equals to 63/2. Ayun. So, yun. Ayun, no, 63/2, okay? So, ibig sabihin, tama yung ginawa natin. So, for your problem number 2, ang sagot ninyo would be 31 1/2 cups. Okay? Next. Tingnan natin yung sunod. So, we have here 1 and, ano naman to? Siya naman daw may biniling mga nuts. Okay? So, yung kanyang biniling kasoy nuts is 1 and 3/4 kilograms. Okay? Next. And the other one, bumili rin siya ng pili nuts that is worth 5/8 kilos. Okay? And then next, meron pa tayo plus 1 and 1/2. Okay, now, how are you going to answer this one? Okay, so dito, titingnan ninyo. Ito ay 4, ito ay 8, ito ay 2. Ano ang number na pare-pareho na pwede sa kanila? Ito yung sinasabi natin LCD. Okay, so from here, kita natin, we can use 8, 8, and then 8. Okay, kailangan magpantay-pantay, pare-pareho muna yung kanilang denominator. Okay, so 8 divided by 4 is 2 times 3 ay 6. 8 divided by 8 is 1 plus 5 is 5. Times 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1 times 5 is 5. 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, so yan. Okay, so what are you going to do now? Ito ngayon ipa-plus nyo. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 5, 15. 15/8. And then, meron kayo dito 1 plus 1, meron kayo ngayong 2. Okay? So, that is now 2 and 15/8. Okay, so ito ngayon, i-divide ninyo. 15/8 is equals to 1, 8, and then 7. Okay, so ito ngayon, ipa-plus ninyo. Okay? So, 1 and 8/7, 1 and 7/8, okay, plus 2. So, ang final answer ninyo would be 3 and 7/8. Ito ngayon yung final answer nyo. Okay? Guys, thank you so much, ha? Maraming salamat.